Cooking meals for friends and family is something we love to do, and we do it every day. But it can be messy, time-consuming, and complicated. We knew there was a way to make cooking cleaner, quicker, and simpler. Introducing Chopsy, your at-home solution for meal prep. Chopsy features the color-coded boards that store inside the base. Hygienic color-coded boards for veggies, meat, and fish mean you've always got a clean board handy. With Chopsy, you fill the pods as you prep your favorite meals. Pods for food and pods for waste. Once you've done your prep, simply swipe the food into one pod and the waste into another. It makes board to bin and board to pan clean and easy. The pods are BPA-free, so they're safe to use and built to last. There's also airtight lids to lock in freshness, so you can store food in the fridge and it's ready when you are. The vented lid allows easy steaming in the microwave. Chopsy makes having a healthy diet quick and easy. And, of course, the boards and pods and lids are all dishwasher safe. With Chopsy, we've thought of everything, even a slot to hold your phone or tablet. Slide your device into Chopsy's convenient holder so you can follow along with new and exciting recipes or have a useful timer in clear view. Chopsy won't slip or slide, even if the countertop is wet. Chopsy makes mealtime prep quicker, cleaner, and more organized. The pod system makes it so much more than a traditional chopping board. With Chopsy, you can prep, store, and cook your food. And you'll never have to battle with an old-fashioned board again.
Hi, I'm Richard and we're all really excited to bring Chopsy to Kickstarter. We knew that there was a better way to prepare meals, a way that made cooking smarter and less cluttered. And we wanted to make something that was actually useful and had real benefits in the kitchen. We are ready to cut tooling so that Chopsy can move into production, but we need your help. Your support will help us to pay for the tooling and for the first Chopsy production run. Together, let's make cooking cleaner, easier and simpler.